Ininspeksyon nung nakarang linggo ni Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. kasama sina BCDA Chairman Delfin Lorenzana at BCDA President at CEO Joshua Bingkang ang itinatayong Airport to New Clark City Access Road o ANAR. Ang ANAR kasi ay isang panibagong kalsada na magkokonekta sa Clark International Airport at New Clark City. Ang biyahe rito tatagal lang ng 20 minuto kumpara sa isang oras na biyahe.
Gone are the days when visitors from Clark Freeport at the Clark International Airport have to exit to the Subic-Clark-Tarlac Expressway and pay toll fees to get to New Clark City.
May haba itong 19.8 kilometers at nagkakahalaga ito ng 8.2 billion pesos. Agaw pansin dito ang bagong tayong Sacobia Bridge na may habang 700 metro at mayroon din itong bicycle at pedestrian lanes. Gumagamit ang kalsada ng renewable energy para pailawan ang buong kalsada tuwing gabi.
We are not just unveiling a world-class bridge, no? But this is a bridge to bring us to our vision for the future. No, yun naman po ang gusto namin, a vision of a sustainable Clark.
Hatid din ng nasabing kalsada ang mga oportunidad at mga proyekto na bubuksan para sa New Clark City gaya ng pagre-relocate ng Philippine Air Force sa New Clark City, Clark Business District, Industrial Parks, pabahay at iba pa.
One with your Bagong Pilipinas movement for the government. So we thank the government and the private sector.
Pinuri naman ng Pangulo ang proyektong ito at kinilala niya ang ambag nito sa paglago ng ekonomiya ng bansa.
It is a part of a larger package of Build Better More activities. It aims to enlarge Clark's profile in the global investment map. Projects such as this all convey one message to prospective investors. It conveys the message that we are committed to building world-class infrastructure that can host the business in a high-growth area.
Tiwala rin ang Pangulo na hindi lang magiging sentro ng komersyo kundi turismo, pamumuhunan at serbisyo ang New Clark City.
We must leverage these attributes into higher visitor traffic, attracting more investments that generate better jobs and spur economic activity. This road is much more than just an access road. It is part of our plan to propel Clark as an alternate growth area.
Naghayag naman ng pasasalamat at suporta ang probinsya ng Tarlac at Pampanga at ang Department of Transportation sa proyektong ito. Inaasang matatapos at bubuksan na sa trapiko ang ANAR sa darating na Hulyo sa pagtatapos ng ilan pang slope protections, bike lanes at landscapes. Charles Nicolimon para sa Luzon Headlines.